2019 Ford Mustang 5.0 convertible. Really beautiful car. And guess what, guys? My favorite color, blue. Anyways, it's got stack converters on it there. Stock, not stack. Stock converters there and there. Then it's got 2.5-inch pipe, which goes into a resonator. And this resonator has a built-in X pipe in it. So we just left it on for him. He didn't want it too loud because it's convertible. And then it's got 2.5-inch pipe all the way back. Goes into, used to have 2 mufflers on it. We deleted them. There and there. There's the stock mufflers right there that we cut off into some 4-inch blue flame tips, quads. There and there. Came out absolutely magnificent, if I do say so myself. There it is. That's how you guys do a muffler delete on these. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. 5.0 GT. He's happy. He's got a big smile on his face. He's happy. Give a guess. If he's happy, we're happy. Ain't that right, guys? Yeah. You. So the first time was in sport mode. Now it's track mode. Go ahead. Change the sound a little bit too. Again. Sound decibels. Go ahead. 110. Not bad. Go ahead and back it out. Those tips fit it perfectly. Yeah. One more. Tell us what you guys think. GT 5.0 Mustang. Love these cars, man. I love any car. I don't care. As long as it sounds good and it's beautiful, I don't care who makes it. And it's fast. That's the best part.